In this video, we will help you understand the Add Garments indicator light and how to properly utilize this feature on your LG washing machine. Your LG washing machine is equipped with a feature that notifies you when it is safe to add additional garments near the beginning of a cycle if you were to forget or leave any items out. When your wash cycle begins, the Add Garments indicator light will illuminate, reminding you that it is safe to add garments if needed. Pause the cycle. Add your garments and resume the cycle. Your LG washing machine will make the proper adjustments to compensate for the added garments by adding more water. To avoid possible damage to clothes or reduce wash performance, do not add extra garments after the Add Garments indicator light turns off because the washer will not adjust the wash cycle. If you don't plan to add any more garments to your wash, no action is required even when you see the Add Garments indicator light illuminated. Your LG washer will continue automatically with its selected wash cycle. The Add Garments indicator light may not be a feature in newer front-load washers. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.